There are more than 100,000 combined estimated average annual automotive, diesel, and welding job openings in the U.S. Without skilled trade professionals, many of the things we do every day would be impossible. We help move people and products. Our precision helps keep you safe. And when crisis strikes, we rise to the occasion. So who's going to help answer the call? We will. Employers need skilled workers like us. Some even provide tuition reimbursement or other incentives to those they hire. To help meet this demand, Universal Technical Institute is committed to delivering tens of thousands of trained professionals over the next 10 years. And they're making more than $15 million in scholarships and grants available this year alone to those who qualify. So what are you waiting for? It's time to rise up, to be change makers. Prepare to join the 220,000 plus UTI graduates who have already answered the call. Classes start every 3 to 6 weeks at UTI's 12 campuses. Let them show you jobs in demand and how you can get trained in less than a year.